What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be sharing 15 of our favorite high potassium foods.
So all the information we're giving you is based off of 1 cup portions and cooked. So any item we're going over is going to be if it's cooked. And we also got this information from myfooddata.com.
Alright guys, we're going to start with the highest potassium foods first.
Item number 1 is salmon. So salmon, for about a 6-ounce piece of salmon, is 1,068 milligrams of potassium.
Item number 2 is avocados. Avocados contain 975 milligrams of potassium.
Item number 3 is spinach. So spinach contains 838 milligrams of potassium.
Item number 4 is my personal favorite, steak. Steak contains 624 milligrams for every 6 ounces.
Item number 5 is zucchini, and that contains 475 milligrams of potassium.
Item number 6 is celery. Celery contains 426 milligrams of potassium.
One of my favorites. Item number 7 is squash. 406 milligrams of potassium.
And coming in at number 8 is tomatoes with 353 milligrams of potassium. They're great.
Yeah. Number 9 is yellow onion, coming in at 348 milligrams of potassium. And
item number 10, holy guacamole, 321 milligrams of potassium.
Number 11 is mushrooms, coming in at 313 milligrams of
Item
potassium.
number 12 is Oikos yogurt with 310 milligrams of potassium. That's awesome.
Number 13 is lemons.
Wait, Nancy, this is not lemons.
You get the picture. Coming in at 293 milligrams of potassium.
Number 14, radishes with 270 milligrams of potassium too.
And number 15, my personal favorite, bell peppers, coming in at 260 milligrams of potassium.
That looks good.
All right, guys, as a thank you to you, we got you 2 bonus items. Go ahead.
Item number 1, cauliflower, 176 milligrams of potassium.
And item number 2, eggs, 80 milligrams of potassium.
Per egg.
Per egg. And
That's
I love
why
me
we-
some eggs.
That's why we saved it best for last. Egg.
Because you know I can eat me like 2 or 3. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching.
Hope you guys found this video useful. And if you did, make sure
To like.
to subscribe. Adios, muchachos.
See you in our next video.